was gonna try to vlog for you, but it's way too dark. I'm on my way to work and it's like 6 in the morning. So it definitely shouldn't be this dark. Like, oh, that's crazy. And it's raining really bad, so I probably should just be focusing on the road anyway, but it's cold, it's raining, and I got my coffee. I got hot coffee today. I can't imagine having something ice this morning. I just did the Dunkin' Donuts hazelnut ground coffee in my Keurig, and I did a little bit of the French vanilla creamer. That's my oldie but goodie. That's how I was pretty much drinking my hot coffee for a while. So anyways, you guys, I said I was gonna get off the vlog, but I wanted to open it up. So good morning, it's Monday. I'm going to work after being off for 4 freaking days. I will say it was nice to get paid those days and not feel guilty or bad for being home at all. So I'm going back because I work today and then I'm off again tomorrow, and babe's off too, so that's nice that we'll kind of get to kind of chill because I've been just running so much around this weekend. You know, we were just doing so much. I was around a lot of people, all my friends and family, you know, and this birthday in quarantine was probably just one of the best birthdays that I felt. I felt so special, so loved, and I just genuinely had a really good relaxing time. So I definitely enjoyed my time off. So I'm going to show you guys my birthday gifts that I got yesterday. This is a gift from my dad, stepmom, and my brothers and little sisters. So they got me this wet and dry petty callus remover. They got me some Dr. Teal's Pure Epsom Salt Soft. This is the Balance and Calm Matcha Green Tea one. I pretty much tried everyone but that one. And then they also got me these lavender and honey moisturizing bath beads with vitamin E and aloe. And one of my favorite scrubs, which are the Tree Hut scrubs, Shea Sugar scrubs. This is in Moroccan Rose. It smells bomb. And these are amazing. If you have not tried the Tree Hut scrubs, seriously, you need to try them. You can find them at Walmart, and they're seriously the bomb. So I got all of this, and I got this nice plant and homemade hibachi and some money. So I just thought that was the sweetest little gift. And I'm about to take me a nice little bubble bath right now because I'm off work and I'm exhausted. Hey guys, happy Tuesday. I haven't vlogged today, but I'm off work today. I don't think I vlogged since yesterday. I just got out of Target. I think it's so crazy, you guys, how we live in the time of literally you have to wear masks everywhere. Like, I just feel like it's one of those things like you never really get used to, you know? So anyways, I just went to Target to get some groceries because I decided I'm gonna make Sunday dinner on a Tuesday. I'm making pot roast with potatoes and carrots, and then I'm making cabbage, baked macaroni and cheese, cornbread, and sweet potatoes on the side. I just really been craving it. I've actually been wanting it for a couple of weeks, but then it was my birthday. So Grams made us that lasagna, and then we were eating already good the whole weekend. So I'm gonna make it today. And then we'll have some good food today, some good leftovers tomorrow, clean up a little bit. And I don't know what I'm gonna do for the rest of the night, just kind of relax. Pretty much maybe edit a little bit and just kind of prepare myself to go back to work because now the vacation is really over. So now it's getting back into the regular routine of work. When I get home, it's like 3, oh, it's actually 4. But when I get home, park behind you. When I get home, I'm gonna put the roast in. I'm gonna cook it on high, so hopefully it'll be done like within 3 to 4 hours. It's a pretty small roast, so it shouldn't take that long, but I'm gonna put it right in so that it can be done in 3 hours as opposed to 9. This girl's literally just in her car, like, lady. I don't wanna have to bag in the spot though to get gas. So anyways, you guys, that's all I'm doing on my off day. We're just getting gas right now because I literally don't have any gas. Okay, he left. I don't have no gas, and I hate getting gas. I think I've told you guys that several times before. So I'm often riding on E and shouldn't be. But I'm just gonna get gas now because I don't have to do it in the morning, and I don't think I'm gonna be leaving out the house again for the rest of the day. I'm just gonna relax because I just feel like I did, even though I was off those days and I got to sleep in and not have to worry about going to sleep and stuff. I mean, waking up early. I still was like running around and doing stuff, so I still wasn't like resting. So I wanted to just rest for the rest of the day, relax, watch TV. Sister is officially on Netflix, so I think I'm gonna watch that. And then I was watching this other show on Netflix. Me and Babe were watching it this morning. It's called I Am a Killer. We like all type of different stuff like that, but pretty much it's about people on death row's murder stories. So it's kind of interesting. Anyway, I'm glad I came to this pump because that girl's literally still sitting over there, just sitting there. So anyway, I'm about to go in here and pay for the gas and then go home and start cooking. So I'll take you guys along with me for that. So I just got out of the UPS store. I had to come here so that I could print out this application that I need to turn in. And I'm getting ready now to go to AutoZone because I think I mentioned it earlier in the vlog, but my brake pads, I need new brake pads. So my brake light went on maybe a week ago, and then lo and behold, 2 days ago, maybe it was the day before yesterday. Yeah, that's 2 days ago. I started to hear them grind, so I needed to get that done ASAP before it becomes, you know, my rotors too. So anyways, I had to print this out because I need to turn this in. So now we're heading to AutoZone to get the brake pads, and then we're going to get my brakes done. And then after that, I think we're gonna look for some places, you guys, because we're moving, and moving is so freaking stressful. And originally we wanted to do, well, really Babe was like, you know what, you know, you can really do the engagement party, like the planning and everything, as far as like, you know, how soon we want to have it and everything like that. And so I was like, ooh, 3 months, that'll be a good time. And I do have basically all of my bridesmaids, except for most of my bridesmaids live out of town, so they'll be traveling obviously to come to any of the events regarding the wedding. So I thought that was a good enough amount of time we set on that date. But realistically, it's only 10 days after we move, and I just don't know, because we are going to do it like at our house. It's going to be like an intimate setting, but I just don't want to be rushing, and I don't want it to like not be ready, you know what I'm saying, or anything, just I don't know. So I'm not 100,000% sure. I'm just waiting to hear back from one more of my friends to see if they bought their tickets already to come, because if they didn't, then I just think it'll just be a lot easier to just push it out and give us a couple of weeks after moving to try to plan it, as opposed to just 10 days. I was just obviously so excited to try to have it as soon as possible, but you know, I want to be realistic too and smart. So yeah, you guys, that's exciting. And then the only other thing that's exciting that I want to talk to you guys about is the fact that we're literally taking our engagement photos next week. So we've been looking to like get us figure out what we're gonna wear too. So that's exciting. So it's a lot of exciting stuff, but a little bit stressful, a little bit nerve-wracking, but all good stuff. Lots of changes going, and it's literally getting so freaking warm, you guys. Let me start driving. I'm doing good on time, but yeah, it's getting so cold. So I just know, especially since it's only September freaking 3rd, it is gonna be a cold winter, because it's already getting like pretty chilly, and it's super dark in the morning. As you guys seen, I think at the beginning of the vlog, I'm probably gonna keep that clip in, but you guys can see, like, you guys could barely see me, and all the other times I talk to you guys on my way to work, it's super bright. So I do live in Minnesota, so we already have horrible winters compared to probably anybody watching, but I'm not looking forward to it. Anyways, you guys, my brakes sound horrible. It's embarrassing, but we're on the way to get those fixed. So I'm going to AutoZone. Just thought I'd come in here and check in with y'all, let you know what's going on, and I'll talk to you guys later. This is my breakfast, you guys. Just 2 fried eggs and an English muffin with my ice water and some grape jelly. I'm just sitting by the little area, taking a little break, because I'm doing pretty good on time.